Soko Wacho. Before I call the leader of majority, let me also acknowledge the presence of nominated Senator Beatrice Ogola. Beatrice Ogola is from Diwa. Karibu Beatrice. And Your Excellency, if you allow me only 30 seconds, to thank you for the appointments that you have made that are historic. To congratulate John Mbadi because he has gotten to the height that nobody from this region has ever gotten to. Your Excellency, we will support you as long as our engagement is around development. We will work with you as long as our engagement is around youth empowerment. We will work with you as long as you hold the hands of Baba Raila Amolo Odinga on his journey to the African Union Commission. And we, the leaders of Luo Nyanza, sometimes we are accused of doing character development in other areas. When it comes to politics, the people of Luo Nyanza have no character development. When we love you, we love you. When we don't like you, we don't like you. Your Excellency, I can tell you that we love you for your gesture of kindness that you have extended to our sons. Now, as I call the leader of the House, I've been asked so that we have a dignified introduction to the members of Parliament present. Nano Kale Ichen Martin, Samare Karoli introduction, but we have MPs, some of whom have come from the coast, some have come from northeastern, they have come from all over Kenya to celebrate with their former minority leader John Mbadi. I think it would be extremely unkind to them if they go back without them being seen. I've been asked that you just come and line up so that you can have a photo. All the members of Parliament, both National Assembly and the Senate, all of them wamekuja mpaka Didmus Barasa, Didmus Chelo Musene, wamekuja wote mpaka I think maybe just a photo, just for a photo. Just for a photo.